Good morning, my dear students. Today our lesson, how does Earth move? Now, you think that the sun moves in the sky. All of you here, we have to see the sun by telescope, okay? And the planets. The sun moved around Earth. The sun appears to move in the sky. But the scientists know but Earth and other planets move around the sun. Now, if you look at daytime sky, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. People naturally thought the sun was moving around Earth. We know that the sun is the center of our solar system. Earth and other planets move around the sun. Earth spins, causing the sun and other objects, such as other stars, to appear to move across the sky. Here, before telescope and space exploration, some people thought Earth was center of the universe. Now, compare and contrast. Use the graphic organizer below and list what is like about the difference between the way people used to think about Earth and the sun and what we know now. The sun moved around Earth. Now, the sun appears to move in the sky. Earth and other planets move around the sun. So, Earth and other planets move around the sun. Earth rotation. Earth and other planets of solar system rotate. They each rotate around an imaginary line called an axis. So what is it, axis? Imaginary line called an axis. It's from the northern or end of Earth axis is North Pole. The southern end of Earth axis is South Pole. Whole span of an object on its axis called rotation. So the whole span of an object on its axis called rotation. One full rotation is what we call a day. The one full rotation takes 24 hours. One full day. Earth rotates around its imaginary line axis from west to east. From west to east. You see here how the Earth rotates? Earth rotates around its imaginary line from east to west. If you see the Earth, the imaginary line goes from North Pole to South Pole. Now, Earth rotates around its imaginary axis from west to east as Earth spins the sun, moon, star, and planet only seem to rise in the east and set in the west. When you watch the sunset, remember that if it is you who are moving, you are riding on the rotating Earth. Now, all of you, in question number 2, explain why does the sun appear to move from east to west across the sky? Earth rotates from west to east because Earth rotates from west to east. Now here you have to fill. This is rotation. It takes about 24 hours, as I told you. Here we have the imaginary line. This is the imaginary line at the axis. Okay, Earth axis is an imaginary line around which Earth rotate. Okay, as I told you, Earth rotate from west to east so that the sun appear to move from east to west across the sky. Thank you, my dear students. We will complete our lesson, inshallah.